And we begin this edition of the news with a big controversy that's coming in ahead of the elections in Maharashtra. In a shocking remark, Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge has likened the BJP and its ideological fountainhead, the RSS, to poison and has termed them as politically most dangerous in India. He further went ahead and addressed the audience in Sangli during a public meeting and said it's time to kill the poisonous snake.
सबसे खतरनाक अगर कोई चीज इस देश में पॉलिटिकली है तो वो बीजेपी और आरएसएस। ये तो जहर के जैसा है। जहर मालूम है ना आपको? ये जहर सांप अगर एक बार काटा तो खत्म आदमी होता है, जहरीला सांप। तो इसलिए ये जहरीले सांप को आप मार देना चाहिए। सबसे खतरनाक अगर कोई चीज इस देश में पॉलिटिकली है तो वो बीजेपी और आरएसएस। ये तो जहर के जैसा है। जहर मालूम है ना आपको? ये जहर सांप अगर एक बार काटा तो खत्म आदमी होता है, जहरीला सांप। तो इसलिए ये जहरीले सांप को आप मार देना चाहिए।
Nilesh is joining us live. Nilesh, with just 2 days to go for the all-important Maharashtra elections, the discourse seems to be plummeting. Earlier, we heard Nana Patole use terms like must tame BJP like dogs. Now it is Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge who says the BJP and RSS are like poison and poisonous snakes, and poisonous snakes must be killed. The Bharatiya Janata Party on its part is invoking the Zehar ki kheti comment that was made by Sonia Gandhi a decade ago. Ahead of the elections, how do you look at this kind of comment which is going to change the discourse of the elections? What do you think is going to be the next course of action of the Bharatiya Janata Party?
Well, absolutely, and it is only 2 days left now that the state of Maharashtra will be under poll. However, the war of words continue. Today will be the last day for campaigning, and every leader, every alliance is trying to push hard for the voters to attract them to their alliance partners. However, Mallikarjun Kharge during this Maharashtra elections for long has been into controversy, has been making various controversial statements. Remember how Mallikarjun Kharge termed Yogi Adityanath as terrorist. Later on, one of another senior leader from the Congress party, Hussain Dalwai, goes on stating that how RSS and its people are no less than a terrorist and there should be a ban onto RSS. And now Mallikarjun Kharge reiterating the same ideology that RSS is no less than a poison and it should be killed, it should be banned. This discourse is finding space into the Maharashtra arena because the headquarters of RSS is in Maharashtra, and it will be having a long implication wherein RSS has a very strong hold in the state of Maharashtra. However, when we talk of the voters, they have several other issues to talk about which are currently not being discussed by the senior leaders from both the alliances, and this is what is also concerning the voters, that for the first time in a state like Maharashtra where it is all about ideology and war over ideology, why is that these leaders are busy into polarization? Because remember, various
and here the battle is between two alliances, 6 parties, and like many are saying, this is going to be a one-of-its-kind election in the state of Maharashtra. But what is the discourse about? Right ahead of the D-Day, that is 2 days ahead of the elections, now comments like poisonous snake have made their way. The Bharatiya Janata Party on expected lines have picked up on this comment made by Mallikarjun Kharge. The BJP says the EC must take note, and they are hitting out at the Congress for going on an abusive tirade against the the BJP. Yeah.
मोहब्बत की दुकान या ये नफरत की जुबान और नफरत फैलाने वाले भाईजान मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी, जिन्होंने योगी आदित्यनाथ जी को आतंकी कहा, आज वो कहते हैं कि बीजेपी आरएसएस एक पॉइजनस स्नेक की तरह है और इस पॉइजनस स्नेक को मार देना चाहिए। यही इनकी मानसिकता है। जनता ने जिन्हें चुना है तीसरी बार, उन्हें पॉइजनस स्नेक कहना और मारने की बात करना मतलब हिंसा भड़काना चुनाव में, ये वही लोग हैं जो जनता को भी नहीं बख्शते, जनता को भी राक्षस कहते हैं और अब जनता के चुने हुए प्रतिनिधि को पॉइजनस स्नेक बताकर हिंसा का उपयोग चुनाव में करना चाहते हैं। इसका मतलब कि मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे और कांग्रेस पार्टी चुनाव को चुनाव की तरह नहीं, जिहाद की तरह देखती है।
देखिए, मल्लिकार्जुन खड़गे जी का बयान, कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट का बयान लोगों को महाराष्ट्र में भाजपा और भाजपा के सपोर्टर्स के खिलाफ इंसाइट करने का है। ये ओपन कॉल टू वायलेंस है। महाराष्ट्र के अंदर खड़गे जी का बयान इंसाइटफुल है। इस पर इलेक्शन कमीशन को संज्ञान लेना चाहिए, इस बयान के ऊपर कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि अपने राजनीतिक प्रतिद्वंदियों को जहरीला सांप कहकर उनके खिलाफ लोगों को भड़काना और कहना कि उनको मार देना चाहिए, मतलब ये इमरजेंसी वाली माइंडसेट है।
Now, the BJP is accusing the Congress party of trying to incite violence ahead of elections, trying to incite people against the BJP. Now, let's once again take our viewers through the kind of comments and the fallout that they've had. And this has happened over the years. Let's look at the taunt that came in way back, where Sonia Gandhi had used the term "Maut ka Saudagar" when she was speaking about the Prime Minister. And what was the fallout? In the year 2007, the Congress lost the Gujarat elections. Let's go back to the other taunt over the years that the Congress party has made when it comes to a very, very vitriolic discourse. Chaiwala cannot become the Prime Minister. When was this told? In the year 2014, and BJP sweeps the elections in 2014. Let's go across to the other comment that possibly cost the Congress party. Prime Minister Modi is a neech aadmi, and then what happens? In 2017, the Gujarat polls was also won by the Bharatiya Janata Party. Then Rahul Gandhi had to apologize for this comment where he had said that the Supreme Court has said Chaukidar chor hai. What happened? Rahul Gandhi was forced to apologize to the apex court. Now the latest taunt that is coming in from Malikarjun Kharge just 48 hours ahead of polls in Maharashtra, where he in fact has alluded to the BJP as a poisonous snake. And what is even more shocking is that Malikarjun Kharge says that poisonous snakes must be killed.
सबसे खतरनाक अगर कोई चीज इस देश में पॉलिटिकली है तो वो बीजेपी और आरएसएस। ये तो जहर के जैसा है। जहर मालूम है ना आपको? ये जहर सांप अगर एक बार काटा तो खत्म आदमी होता है, जहरीला सांप। तो इसलिए ये जहरीले सांप को आप मार देना चाहिए।
Nalin Kohli of the Bharatiya Janata Party is joining us this morning. Mr. Kohli, just hours to go for elections in Maharashtra, and the Congress chief says that the BJP and RSS are like poison and like venomous snakes, and venomous snakes must be killed. How do you respond to this kind of very, very shocking comment coming in from Malikarjun Kharge?
Well, Mr. Kharge seems to be coming out with controversial statements at a regular interval. He's a senior leader. Now, why is he coming up with these kind of statements? Only he, his party or his family can explain. Because he came up with a statement on Article 370 which led to a furor. He's in the past also come out with statements that can be called distasteful against the BJP RSS. Now today he's come on to this. One political reason can be that the writing on the wall must be hurting the Congress party. Because if newspaper reports and other inputs are to be believed in the media, the Congress seems to be among the worst performing parties in Maharashtra. It seems even their allies are worried about the Congress party, its campaign, its effectivity. On the other side, Prime Minister Modi, his campaign, our Home Minister, Amit Ji Shah, our local leaders, all of them, other national leaders who have campaigned, the response is very high. So maybe in frustration or desperation, these kind of comments may be being made.
Right. Mr. Kohli, but when you ask this question to leaders of the Mahavikas Aghadi or the Congress party, they say the BJP shouldn't lecture us. They are the ones who are in fact polarizing the electorate and making this campaign intensely vitriolic. How do you respond to that charge coming in from your political rivals?
Well, the only party that seems to be polarizing it is the Mahavikas Aghadi. You look at the statement of the All India Personal Muslim Law Board. They are coming out in open support. Now, this confirms many things. And you must read it with Jharkhand, where a very senior Congress leader said we will give gas cylinders even to the infiltrators and to the illegal immigrants who are causing Jharkhand's demography to change. That means it confirms that for vote banks, they are able to create these kind of demands from religious organizations. That is polarization. In Maharashtra, if the All India Personal Muslim Law Board says that we are going to support these parties, why should the BJP be asked the question? The question is to be asked from them.
All right.
And one last thing, it also confirms why the Congress party was always against the Ram Mandir. Why they denied the existence of Ram? Because they must have always been in touch with and having support of the All India Muslim Personal Law Board.
Thank you, Mr. Kohli, for joining us this morning. So, Mallikarjun Kharge has called the BJP and the RSS politically dangerous. He says they are venomous and venomous snakes must be killed. This comment comes right ahead of elections in Maharashtra. Will this change the course of the campaign in the last leg ahead of the D-Day? We are going to keep a close watch on that. But viewers, time now for us to shift our focus to the other big story that's